Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to auto-assign roles to new users on Discord. To start, open your Discord app. After that, go to your server and open Settings. On scrolling down, you will see the option of Roles. Tap to open it. Write the role name. You can also select the color for each role. Then tap on Create. Skip these steps and your server roles are now ready. Now go back to your server and tap on Set up your server. Go to Settings. Then open Channel Permissions. Tap to open Advanced View. From here, you can add roles and members. Tap to add a new role. Here, you need to tap on Everyone. Tap on Done on your top right and then tap on Member. Here, select the tick icon option right after the View channel. Then tap on Done. Once it's done, go back to your channel. Now open Google and search for Yak PDP bot. Tap to open the link yakpdp.xyz. On scrolling down, you will see its features and other details. After that, tap on Menu on the top right and select Add to Server. It will ask for your account permission. Tap on Authorize to continue. It is now connected to your Discord server. Now it will auto-assign roles to new users on Discord. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.